In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new account to Bitwarden. So the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to your vault top left and you want to select your vault where you have your accounts or passwords. So for me, I have it here inside my vault. I'm going to click on that. And from here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different ones. I can go ahead and click on plus new up top and then click on login. And then here you can go ahead and give it a name. I'm just going to name it YouTube for now. And then the owner, of course, you can select who the owner is over here. And then you can also select the folder which you want to put it in. I'm going to put it into my tutorial folder. And then here you have the login credentials. You can put in your username and your password, as well as the authentication key. And then here you also have the autofill options, for which you can basically go ahead and put in the website URL. And then you can also add notes if you wanna and click on save. And whenever you do this, you'll be able to see that it's going to get added onto your list and it's over here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.